Sonic and the Secret Rings is a fun game where you can play as Sonic in a magical world. One of the coolest moves you can learn is the Sparking Zero, and here's how to do it. First, make sure you're in a level where you can run fast. The Sparking Zero is a special attack that helps you defeat the enemies. So to perform it, you need to build up your speed. You can do this by running and collecting rings. Once you have enough speed, hold down the attack button. This will charge up Sonic's power. When you're ready, release the button to unleash the Sparking Zero. Sonic will spin and zoom forward, hitting any enemies in his path. Timing is important. Make sure you use the Sparking Zero when you're near a group of enemies for maximum effect. It can help to clear levels faster and earn more points, obviously. So just remember, practice makes perfect. The more you play, the better you'll get at using the Sparking Zero. Enjoy zooming through the game and defeating your foes with this awesome move. And yeah, let me know if there's anything in the comments you want to leave for anyone else that needs to learn something from you.